All right, we have a fruit basket of apples and oranges, and we are going to make some determinations about this basket. So a third of the apples and 1/5 of the oranges were spoiled. So we threw away 2 apples and 3 oranges. They're spoiled, you're gonna throw them away, right? And then how many pieces of fruit were in the basket? So we're looking at, we had this fruit basket, some of it was bad, we threw that out. How much was there to begin with? Because it says were in the basket. So think of the apples separately from the oranges at first. So 1/3 of the apples is 2 of them. Remember, is equals. So 1/3 of it, I'm going to call apples, call that A variable. So I would multiply both sides of the equation by 3. And so that would mean there were 6 apples. So 6 apples to begin with. A third of them would be 2 of them, and 2 were rotten, and we spoiled or we threw them away. Okay, now let's look at the oranges. 1/5 of the oranges, and that's 3 of them. So 1/5, we'll call the oranges X. 1/5 of X is 3. Multiply both sides by 5, so that I have 1x. 3 times 5 is 15. So there were 15 oranges to begin with. All right. So how many pieces of fruit were in the basket? The 6 apples plus the 15 oranges equals 21 pieces of fruit to begin with. All right, so there were 21 pieces at the beginning. I hope that that's helpful as you think through these problems.